Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. I have this meanwell PB-300N-24 28.8 volt 10.5 ampere battery charger. It is not turning on, no output voltage. Let's see what's wrong here. If you don't have good experience in electronics, never try to repair, because here are live voltage. Take care for the safety. I will apply power using series lamp and we will monitor the lamp condition. No indication on lamp. AC voltage 233 volts. But lamp is silent. Let's open it. Even if the power is removed, we will not touch any component until we are confident that there are no voltage on these capacitors. Let's inspect it. Yes, this MOV is damaged. It is also damaged. Voltage setting, that is at 230 volt. TL3845. Now we will verify fuse. Fuse open circuit. Verify voltage on these two capacitors. It is safe. It is safe. One MOV in these 2 points and second MOV here. This one for protection of this capacitor and this one for protection of this capacitor. This MOV is short circuited and its plates are separated. Yes, here is part number. TNR 9G241K 240 volt MOV. I will arrange it. First we will verify the remaining circuit. We will check continuity on this capacitor. Good. Diode positive terminal, one diode, second diode. Reverse the leads. Okay, negative terminal of this bridge rectifier. Okay, bridge rectifier is safe. Check this power MOSFET, gate and source pin, 0.45. Reverse the leads. Good. This drain to source, open. Drain to source, one diode. That means this circuit is safe. Fuse open circuit, 10 ampere, 250 volt. For testing, I will connect a low value fuse, 0.5 ampere. DC voltage, we will check voltage across these capacitors, this one and this one. Lamp draws current, 168 volt on this capacitor, 164 on this capacitor. That means the switch, bridge rectifier, all circuit is working good. Yes, good. 25 volt output. Now to restore it in full working condition, full functional condition, I need two MOVs, 241 code, 240 volt resistor voltage, and I need one fuse, 10 ampere, 250 volt. Yes, I have these protections for these capacitors, MOVs here, that are these two MOVs. These are basically protections for capacitors. One of them is connected here, the second here. This is common point of both capacitors. One for this capacitor, second for this capacitor. I have this fuse now, 10 ampere, 250 volt. Now our circuit is safe. Now we can use the original fuse. Let's verify the value. Yes, it is 240 volt. 241, that means 240 volt. Now I will install it here. continuity between this positive terminal and common. Okay, this and this. Great. The capacitor charged and now it's good. This capacitor is charging. Good. This is good condition. Now I will apply power as a final check and then I will pack it up. Switch at 220. Good. LED on. DC voltage. Check output voltage. 29.95. Yes, the voltage are being adjusted. 28.5 rated output. That's great. I think there was some over voltage strike or whatsoever, that about 240 volt reached on these capacitors and these protections activated, and that caused to open the fuse. This was the fault. Other circuit is safe. Now I will pack it up. DC voltage, still it is discharging. Yes, now it is safe. Use thermal paste. If you enjoyed this process, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.